Hey, and welcome back to How to Do Whatever. Today I'm going to do a zombie makeup just as you requested, and yeah, I'd say there's nothing else to say about it, so let's jump in. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cover my face in white. So I'm just using the white color and a sponge, and I'm literally just picking up the color and dabbing it on my face. Alright, so I'm not going down on my neck now because it's just for the video and not for going out. Normally I would go down until the line of my t-shirt or even underneath, so it actually looks like I'm pale all over, and I would also cover my ears. I'm not going to do that now because I'm stuck at home, so I'm not going anywhere today. I'm just doing it for the purpose of fun, and yeah, I'm going to get rid of the makeup right away after taking that video, so that's why. I'm just going to set it all down with some fixing powder. Just going over it. And I'm using quite a lot. That's bad. Alright, I have been setting everything down with some fixing powder, and I am ready to go in with my eyes. I'm going to take a brush, just like that, some red, some dark red, and some black. I'm going in with the lightest color first, which is the light red, and I'm going just to, cover the entire eyes with it, so the entire eye area will be red. I'm just going to go in with that makeup sponge and I'm just dabbing it on. Purpose is to look sick and not beautiful. Just blend it out with your fingers so you get a really smooth edge. And then you want also to go around your mouth and underneath. And your nose. So here we go. That's the first color done. I'm now going in with the dark red, which is like a bloody red. And I'm just doing the same, just not as big. And then cover with that dark red also your lips. So from here I'm switching to the really fine brush, and I'm going in creating some blood veins going down in my skin. So I'm just going to drag the color down a little. Get sure that you don't have too much of the color. You want to have it really faded out. I'm also going in just underneath the mouth. Alright. And now I'm going in with the black. So I'm going to take it, and as you can see, it's quite a dark black. Oh, duh. I'm just going to go in first with the really fine brush here and just outlining the mouth. And then I'm dragging the color in from the line to the inside so the mouth is even a little bit darker. Well, that looks weird. Totally messed up here, but hey, got some Q-tips ready. Redoing the mouth, so I'm just going in with some red. Alright, and then some black. Alright, and I'm also grabbing that black and I'm dragging the lines down. I'm doing the same for the eyes as well, but I'm going in with the black.
So I got a man's face.
And I'm just going in around the eyes here. And now I'm just going to grab a really soft brush and some more red, just going around it. And taking my fingers again, just to blend it out. I'm now just getting to go and take some black powder and I'm just dabbing it on. And I'm taking some fake blood. And on here as well. Alright, so here we go. I would call that a makeup-ish look, at least something gory. I'm not really sure how much that is zombie or maybe vampire. Well, I don't really know. Let me know in the comments below what you think it is. I was trying to do a zombie, but I think I kind of crossed over to a vampire, but yeah, so that happens sometimes. I hope you liked the video, subscribe for more, hit the bell button for notifications, and see you next time, bye!